Fox News alert, it is a big day for Army Private Bradley Manning. Today he will learn whether he will be convicted of aiding the enemy for sending hundreds of thousands of classified government documents to WikiLeaks, a charge that could put him away for life. There's a military judge that's making this decision, and she said she'll announce her verdict at 1 p.m. Eastern. Steve Santani is live from Washington with more. Steve, how likely is it, do you think, that Manning will be sentenced to the max, life in prison?
Well, that's possible, Jamie, but there's a very high bar for the judge to find him guilty of aiding the enemy. To do that, the judge would have to find Manning had evil intent, that he intended specifically for the leaked material to find its way to the enemy. Now, this is what prosecutors tried to prove during the trial, but at least one legal analyst says they didn't quite get there.
I think Manning, from what I understand, claims that he was performing some kind of a whistleblower function in releasing this information to, in his view, to provide information to the American people about what was happening. And that it was done in his brain, done to help us and not to hurt us.
And so some experts say Manning didn't actually give any secrets to al-Qaeda, and he shouldn't be found guilty of aiding the enemy. Jamie?
Nevertheless, it's the biggest supply of classified documents ever provided, and his attorney did actually also bring up mental health issues. So with some of these being viable defenses, what could he face? What penalties could it carry as well?
Yeah, well, of course, aiding the enemy is the most serious of the charges he faces, but and for that he could get life in prison. But there are a variety of other charges that could land him in jail for some time. Manning also charged with 8 charges under the Espionage Act, 5 theft charges, and 2 more of computer fraud. All of those federal charges, each one could get him up to 10 years in prison. And on top of that, there are 5 military counts of violating regulations punishable by up to 2 years. Manning chose to have a judge decide the case instead of a jury, so it's entirely up to her now. The judge has tentatively scheduled a sentencing hearing to begin on Wednesday, and that could run for several weeks since each side has more than 20 potential witnesses. Jamie?
All right, it'll be interesting to see if Manning speaks on that. Thanks so much. Good to see you, Steve.